Okay, at the moment the program allows you to detect whether the type of characters entered into the plain text are upper and lower case. If you try to perform a Caesar shift on a number, currently it does not do anything. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the program to classify numbers separately from upper and lower case characters. We're going to be doing this in the get type of character method, and all we need to add in an option is an option to detect whether the ASCII code is between 0 char or 9 char. So in the else bit, we're going to add a new if statement and say if ASCII code is greater than or equal to int 0. So what this does is, because chars are the representation of an integer, we cast the char as an int for the moment so that we can do a number comparison with it. So at the moment 0 is, I think, something like 42, somewhere around there. So we're going to see if it's greater than or equal to 0, or ASCII code is less than or equal to int 9. So we now that's detecting whether or not it's between 0 and 9. If it is, we need to classify the type of character as a number. So type of character equals number. If it's not, then that means that it's an other. Just indent the code. Okay, so there's the first bit done. This will now pick up whether or not we've got numbers, lowercase and uppercases. We now need to get it to apply the shift if it is a number. So if we go to our code, apply shift to ASCII code for character, we're looking at this bit here. So at the moment, if not equal to other, so that means if it's anything apart from other, it's going to run the code. Otherwise, it just ignores it. Inside that, it then checks to see if it's an upper. So what we're going to do is we're now going to check to see if it is a lower. So if type of character dot equals lower with a capital L. If it is equal to lower, then we run the code to apply the shift to a lowercase. If it's not equal to a lower, well, that means that it's going to have to be number. So we now apply the code to a number. So the code is slightly different. So we're going to go ASCII code equals. So the reason why this at the start is 26 is because there's 26 characters that a lowercase can be. We have 0 to 9, so we only have 10 characters to choose from. We then take in the ASCII code, and we take away from that the lowest possible one that it can be. So 0. And we add the amount that we need to shift it by. We then need to modulus the maximum number it can be. This enables it to be able to, so if it was 9 and we shifted it 3, loop back round and start at the beginning again at 0. So it would go 9, 0, 1, 2. So we're going to modulus it by 10 and then add on again the lowest it can be. Okay, so there's our new code. If we run this, let's enter in some plain text. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm now going to perform a Caesar shift, a Caesar cipher, so I'm going to shift it by 3. And it's moved not only the letters up by 3, but also the numbers up by 3. Brilliant.